In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a simple upsell in your Shopify cart. Let's dive right in and unlock the potential of boosting your sales with a seamless upsell strategy. The first step in this process is to access the Apps section on the left side of your Shopify admin panel. Here, you'll want to search for Essential Upsell. Now, this is a fantastic free third-party app that integrates beautifully into your Shopify store. It's designed specifically to help you create effective upsell offers with ease. Once you've located the app, go ahead and click on the Install button. This action will lead you into the installation process, which is straightforward and user-friendly. After successfully installing the app, it will naturally appear on your admin dashboard. That's the spot where you'll set it all up. Next, you'll encounter the necessary step of activating the app embeds. This is crucial and is done through the side editor. You'll want to ensure that it's properly activated, as this enables the upsell features to work correctly on your site. With the setup now active, you're ready to start creating your offers. This is where the fun begins, and you can get creative. Think about products in your store that naturally complement each other, or perhaps a bestseller that deserves the spotlight. You have the freedom to tailor these offers in a way that makes the most sense for your business and customer base. The great thing about the Essential Upsell app is how it allows you to craft offers that aren't just enticing, but also seamlessly integrated into the shopping experience. To wrap it up, that's all there is to it. With just a few straightforward steps, you have equipped your Shopify store with a powerful tool to encourage customers to add more to their cart. This small addition can make a significant impact on your revenue without requiring significant effort or financial investment. Remember, the key to a successful upsell is relevance and timing, so make sure your offers are appealing and rightly positioned. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful for enhancing your Shopify store. By following these instructions, you should find the upsell setup process both easy and effective. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.